In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target and show ads on specific devices in Google Ads using bid adjustments. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, learning how to effectively target your audience on the right devices can drastically improve your ad performance. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Ads, which is a powerful tool for reaching your customers and boosting sales through online advertising. You can easily access Google Ads by heading over to the official website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed. Click on this button and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't used Google Ads before, creating an account is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your campaigns, analyze performance, and make necessary adjustments. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself, especially if you're newer to Google Ads, because understanding this dashboard is key to running effective campaigns. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and locate the section labeled Insights and Reports. Clicking on this area will provide you with various analytical tools essential for understanding how and where your ads are performing. Now, under Insights, select when and where ads showed, which will help you identify on which devices your ads have been appearing and how they're doing. The next step is to click on the Devices section. This is a crucial point in the process as it allows you to make more granular adjustments to your ad strategy by focusing on specific devices such as desktops, tablets, or smartphones. Device targeting is particularly valuable if you know that your audience engages more on certain devices. Optimizing for these can lead to better engagement and conversions. Here you will see a list of devices your ads are currently targeting along with corresponding data such as clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. This is where you can make adjustments based on the performance data available. For example, if most of your clicks and conversions are originating from mobile devices, you might consider increasing your bid for mobile traffic to capitalize on this trend. Bid adjustments allow you to control how aggressively you want to bid for ad placement on each device type. Once you have evaluated the performance data, use this feature to allocate your budget more effectively, ensuring that your ads reach the most relevant audience with the highest possibility of engagement. That's it. With these steps, you're on your way to effectively targeting specific devices with your Google Ads. Remember, like any marketing approach, it is wise to regularly review the performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your advertising campaigns. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.